How to get more friends and followers on Snapchat. If any day any of you are a Snapchat user and you would like to get more friends and followers on your Snapchat, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch your Snapchat application by tapping on Snapchat. After tapping on Snapchat, Snapchat will be launched on your mobile device. After Snapchat is launched on your mobile device, what you have to go is you have to go to the plus like icon on the top side. After you tap on the option of add friends on the top side, now in order to just get more friends, you can accept the request of all of the friends that you have sent the request here by tapping on the option of accept. If you have already accepted all of the friends, now what you can do is you can also go to the next option of quick add, and you can also add the person yourself by tapping on the option of add here. Now if any day you have made a very profile of your Snapchat that is public here, you can also make the people follow you on Snapchat, and which you can gain various kind of followers on Snapchat. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.